W-2 season is both exciting and confusing. For many of us, it means a tax refund. Sometimes, though, not so much. Most people have never really paid attention to their W-2. For a lot of us, reviewing a W-2 can be very confusing. What's in box 1? Why doesn't it match box 3? Why are there so many boxes in the first place? Don't worry, sit tight, and join along as we take you on a W-2 tour and the most commonly asked questions. Box 1. Wages, tips, and other compensations. These are your gross taxable wages paid. This includes salary, wages, tips, bonuses, and/or commissions. You may notice that your total earnings from 2020 were more than what's listed here. That's because this box, and boxes 3, 5, 16, and 18, are less any pre-tax deductions. For those curious, we're referring to health insurance and non-taxable income. That could be reimbursement for mileage or other expenses incurred and reimbursed through payroll. 401k contributions also lower box 1, but not boxes 3 or 5. Box 3. Social Security wages. These are your earnings that are subject to Social Security tax. This amount does not include tips, and since there is a yearly cap on how much you can be taxed for this, some individuals will find this number is going to be lower than their boxed 1, so don't panic if that's the same case for you. Box 5. Medicare wages and tips. These are your earnings that are subject to the Medicare tax. There's no cap on this one, so it may not always match box 3 if that's what you were expecting. Box 7. Social Security tips. These are any tips earned by you that are subject to Social Security tax. Fun fact, box 3 plus box 7 equals box 1. Box 16. State wages, tips, etc. These are your taxable wages that are subject to the state's tax. Depending on your state, this number might not equal box 1. Box 18. Local wages, tips, etc. These are your gross taxable wages that are subject to local tax. And again, depending on your city, this number might not equal box 1. Now listen, we know this was a W-2 crash course. No two situations are the same, but we're hoping that this W-2 breakdown has helped you understand your W-2 more. For a fast and easy way to access your W-2, download the Prestige Go app. Your PrestigePEO team is always one phone call or email away, and we encourage you to use us. Get ready for another W-2 season because it's here.